Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick and easy mashed gem squash recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So we are making gem squash, so your main ingredient here will be gem squash. I am using what I would call medium to large sized gem squash because I've definitely seen some that are smaller than the ones that I'm using today. I'll only be boiling 3. So you need a pot with some boiling water, and you're just going to add them into your pot, and you're going to allow these to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then in between, you just need to turn them around just so that you can make sure that all the different sides get boiled. I do boil mine without a lid, but if you want to put on a lid, just be mindful that you might get some spillover. So after about 20 minutes, this is what it's looking like. It's really soft. Once you start pressing on it too hard, it can actually crack like this one. That was a perfectly done one. This is an example of one that you would have overboiled. It starts to sort of cave in on itself and deform. I'm going to use that as an example. If you want to make your gem squash body a boat, you can then just stab it like I'm showing you now, and that is how you would cut it open, just so that you can have, you know, neat straight lines. But if you're going to be mashing it like I am, then that doesn't really matter. You can just open it any way or anyhow. And basically what we're gonna do is remove the seeds. So you just need to remove the seeds carefully, also minding not to remove too much of the gem squash, just so that you can still have enough to prepare. So this is what I mean by a boat. So basically, if you're going to leave it as a boat, you would create that hollow center, and then you'd fill it up with other vegetables and maybe top it up with some cheese. If that's what you want to do, you can go ahead and do that. I am not doing that in this video. I'm going to be mashing mine. So you can see that all I'm doing is I'm basically going to be removing it from the main body or the shell of the gem squash, and I'm going to do this process for all 3 of my gem squashes. So basically, once I'm done, this is all the gem squash, and I'm basically going to separate it by using a fork because I did just scoop it out. So you can do this for about 2 minutes or until you feel like it is sufficiently separated. What I love about this method is you won't get any water in your gem squash. Okay, so the flavorings that I'm using is very basic. We're not going overboard in adding flavor on this gem squash. I'm just going to add a little bit of butter, and again I'm continuing to use the fork because I am trying to encourage my gem squash to separate. I'm just going to mix that in. Then we need to sweeten it. So you can use honey, you can use stevia like I am because I am trying to reduce the amount of sugar that I eat, or you can use normal white or brown sugar. Stevia is really sweet, so you don't need a lot of it. Just in case you're checking the measurements in the description box, because I will put measurements for the different options that I've given you here. And this is basically what it looks like once we've mixed it. You can eat it as it is here, but I'm going to take it a level higher, and I'm going to add a sweet surprise of some shredded cheese. I've used the fine grating option on my grater just so that it can dissolve or melt a little bit easier inside my gem squash. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to mix that up, and that is basically it. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple. You can try this as an alternative to butternut. If you are a bit tired of having butternut every other day, you can definitely try to have gem squash. I've garnished mine with some chili flakes and a little bit of parsley, which is also optional. And that is it for this video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section, like this video, and I'll definitely see you guys next time.